Hello everyone and welcome to Lot of Tech once again, and today's video we'll be comparing Sony MDR xb55ap with Rha MA390 earphones, and this comparison will not just be limited to the audio quality but also to the other factors that you should keep in mind while making your selection. So let's start with the box and packaging. So the MA390 comes in this kind of a white cardboard box, and these earphones come with a 3-year warranty. The earphones have been designed and manufactured in UK, and on the box you will find this Rha hologram along with some information about the box contents. When you will unbox these earphones, what you will get inside is a user manual, 2 extra pair of ear tips, silicone gel, Rha branded carry pouch, cable managing clip, and of course the earphone. If I talk about Sony MDR xb55ap, so these also come in this kind of a white cardboard box, and the earphones have that extra base label right on the front end as well as on the side. The earphones are made in Thailand and they come with 1-year warranty, and the price mentioned on the box is 2490, and you will get these earphones somewhere around 2000 rupees during the festive sale. When you will unbox these earphones, what you will get inside is 3 extra pair of ear tips, a Sony branded pouch, a user manual, and of course the earphone. So the xb55ap are made completely out of plastic, and this is the greyish white color that I am having with me, and it comes in this greyish white and silver combination. The silver part that you're looking at is not metal, it is actually a plastic cap that has some kind of chrome finish on it, and so far I've been using these earphones for a very long time and there aren't any signs of wear and tear or any kind of scratches on the chrome surface. Apart from that, the left and right markings are done in white and red color, and you can see that these markings are also fading away. Apart from that, there also used to be a Sony branding, especially on these long sticks that you're looking at, but these brandings have completely faded away. If I talk about MA390, so these are made completely out of aluminium, and the Rha branding is inscribed in the metal surface, so no problem of fading away of the branding. Apart from that, the left and right markings are not there on the metal housing, but these are there on the rubber part that are coming out of the earphone. If I talk about the cable quality, so the cables coming out of MA390 are completely rounded, while the cable coming out of xb55ap are sort of oval shaped and flat cable, and you will get the microphone attached to the left side on xb55 while it is attached to the right side on MA390, and then as you will move down further you will find cable managing ring with both these earphones, and then the point from where the cable is dividing into left and right you will find the branding on both these earphones, and from here onwards the MA390's cable get converted into a braided cable, while the Sony xb55 cable gets a little bit more thick. Now the cable quality is absolutely awesome on both these earphones and I don't have any sort of issues at all, but I just feel that the braided cable looks more sturdy and premium as compared to the plastic cable. And then at the end you will find straight gold plated jack on MA390 while a 90 angle gold plated jack on xb55ap. If you want to have an idea about the size, so Sony xb55ap are extremely huge and you can completely hide MA390 in front or behind xb55ap. So this is a kind of a very vast size difference, and this difference is mainly because of the bigger 12mm drivers on xb55. While if I talk about the driver size on MA390, so these are not mentioned anywhere in the manual or anywhere in the specifications. Due to the bigger size, the xb55ap are slightly more heavy than other average sized earphones, while the MA390 are extremely lightweight. Now if I talk about the MA390 and you want to have the idea about the size, so I'll compare them with Sony EX155ap, and here you can clearly see that both these earphones are sort of an identical when it comes to size. If I talk about the quality of microphone, so this is the kind of audio that you will be getting from MA390. All doors and windows in my rooms are closed right now, and it's just the fan that is running very slowly, and it has all that kind of ambient noise that are usually present in a room. So this is the kind of audio that you would be getting from a Sony xb55ap, and it is also recorded in the same conditions. All doors and windows are closed and the fan is running very slowly, and I just feel that the kind of audio being recorded from xb55 is slightly better because it has more volume. On the other hand, on MA390 you just need to increase the volume. So now it's the time for audio simulation, so kindly listen to this music and after that we will continue with the audio review. So now let's talk about the audio quality. So first of all, I'll say that if you're watching this video and you're planning to choose between XB55 and MA390, then I feel that you are very much confused in your requirement, because XB55ap are the kind of earphones which are targeted for bass oriented people. The bass coming out of these is very boomy and very punchy, and generally in bass oriented earphones we see that the low frequencies, I mean the bass is amplified, but they tend to compromise with vocals and midtones, but this is definitely not the case with XB55. And if you want to compare these, then compare them with xb55ap, which are I think in the price range of 3000 plus rupees. So these are the kind of earphones that you should compare if you're planning to buy extra bass earphone or good bass earphone. On the other hand, if I talk about MA390, so these are very small and compact form factor earphone. Overall, I'll say that they have a very sweet sound. The overall sound is very crisp, the vocals are very clear, and the stereo is definitely very good. So if you want to compare MA390 and you are looking for an alternative, then you should think of an earphone like Sony EX255ap or Sony EX155ap. I've already done the comparison of these with 255. Don't forget to check out that video. If I talk about playing PUBG, I'll say that I've been playing PUBG on XB55 for quite a long time. I didn't had any problems at all. The bass was very good. I could hear the bomb explosion, gunfire, each and everything. The vocals were also very clear. But since I bought MA390, I tend to feel more comfortable with MA390, and it's just my own perspective, but overall both of these earphones are good for playing PUBG. The next important thing you should keep in mind while making your selection is comfort, because comfort is something that is really important. And I'll say that if you're someone whose ears are very sensitive, very small, and you feel that kind of heaviness in your head when you're using earphones or headphones, then definitely you should avoid buying XB55ap, because the size of these earphones are quite big, and they will definitely give you a lot of pain if your ears are sensitive. So as you can see that if I plug these earphones, so MA390 tend to align or go very deep inside your ear, and none of the part of these earphones is actually protruding out. On the other hand, in XB55ap, a lot of part of the earphone is actually touching your ears and it's also out. So this might feel a little bit uncomfortable to a lot of users. On the other hand, if you're someone who wants to use a pillow, or you want to use earphones before going to bed, or while you are in bed and you want to rest your head against a pillow, this is something this is kind of a very unique requirement. So if you want to rest your head against a pillow, then MA390 will be more comfortable as compared to XB55ap. The next important thing is design and ergonomics. So if I talk about the design, then definitely MA390 have that premium look, and these are very minimal earphones, very small, very compact. And if you're someone who's a fan of minimalism, then definitely you will like MA390. On the other hand, XB55ap are not designed for beauty. These are earphones designed for performance, and these are the earphones that tend to give you one of the best sound that you're looking for. So friends, this was all about my review. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.